Hey, this is Nick from Acton Custom. One of my more popular YouTube videos, funnily enough, was installing these Rivnuts into a piece of fiberglass on some bodywork. I just wanted to do a follow-up video on this to show how these things work and how I'm going to install them. So I've got the kit here with the different size mandrels, and how that works is pretty much the same as a rivet gun, where it expands the back edge of the Rivnut. It pulls it in and expands this and grips the inside of the hole with the little serrations you can see on there. These are pretty stout. These are a 5/16 24 thread on these, and so pulling them with a hand tool is a little bit of work. So there's how I'm going to install it in this instance, where I've just taken a grade 8 bolt, a grade 8 nut, a couple of washers. I've assembled it up onto the bolt, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the head still, and I'm going to crank the nut around to pull the thread, or pull the half of the sleeve up through to expand it. So I have the hole drilled into the frame of the car. Got the hole drilled in the frame of the car. I'm actually just doing some tailpipe hangers on this here, and I'm going to put my wrench onto the nut, and I'm going to hold it as straight as I can and up against the side of the frame, and I'm going to use the nut to pull the center section of the insert so that it sits on the back side. It expands and it sits on the back side. And so, almost there. Don't even need any high-speed video for this. And I can feel it backing up against the inside of the tube as it's bottoming out. And there we have a threaded insert installed. Happy fabricating, people.